Coach, congratulations on a very crucial victory.
Thank you.
You had said that Bengaluru FC are the strongest team in the ISL this season, and to play against them in the first match at home and winning against them must be a very, very big achievement for you all that can set you up for the season.
Bueno, sí que estoy muy contento porque hemos ganado hoy 3 puntos importantes. Es verdad que hemos jugado contra un gran equipo, ya lo dije en la rueda de prensa anterior al partido, pero la victoria no nos puede hacer olvidar que tenemos que seguir mejorando, porque hoy, a pesar de conseguir 3 puntos, no puede ser que con 10 jugadores el equipo contrario y con una ventaja de 3-1 en el marcador nos consigan empatar, pero bueno, siempre se mejora mejor desde la victoria, ¿no? Hoy hemos conseguido 3 puntos importantes, muy contento por el trabajo que ha hecho el equipo, pero tenemos que seguir mejorando.
I'm very happy with the 3 points, particularly against an opposition that I highlighted in my previous press conference as being very strong. But you know, this is not the end of it. We need to improve on our mistakes. We can't cloud our judgment in terms of what we're trying to achieve this season. These 3 points are just part of a journey that we want to sort of keep going further into. We need to improve a lot in what we're doing, particularly because we allowed a team with 10 men to come back from a 2-goal deficit. So we need to understand exactly what we need to do to improve and go about doing that on the field.
Coach, I'm Neeraj from Prudent Media TV channel. Commiserations on the defeat. Run comes to an end today. You had said yesterday that for this game you would even love to be a spectator. So do you think it was a fitting result for neutrals?
Well, right now I'm really tired, because it's exhausted as my players. I didn't expect this kind of game for sure, no. A normal game, but that can happen, in football sometimes. It was today. Unfortunately for us, it was not good, enough, to came back when our options seemed, after the first half, very low. But yes, I think I like, the way that my team tried. Came back, but we did a lot of mistakes at the beginning of the game, and yes, and they have punished every time that they had opportunity. So that's football. We have to learn about. Yes, and then it has been too late, for us. We have spent too much energy trying to get back, so they took advantage also of that, and they had, for sure not get the ball, and the last minutes were not options for us. Okay, it happens. So learn about that.
Coach, about the red card, did you think it was a fair decision?
Yeah, it was. I think it's a right decision. It's a shame, because I think was Manu, he has provoked, that kind of action. But for sure, my goalkeeper, he cannot react like this. Instead of that, he had, to fell down, just for the other to get a yellow card. Instead of that, he was reacting as he never. He's a good learner. He's a young goalkeeper. He has a lot of quality, but he has to control himself. Otherwise, he has put it today in a real big trouble. But I don't want to blame on him. I think we did, as I said to you, some mistakes at the beginning. And yes, then they have punished. Perhaps, with 11 players, I think we were playing quite good. We could perhaps, came back, to the game, because my team was after 1-1, even 2-1, we could perhaps, score. But yes, all these kind of events, I didn't expect, and I think no one in the stadium. But sometimes it happens, and yes, just have to continue.